Learn the 3,000 most common words through stories.
Today, we will learn these words by using them in a story. Accept, acceptable, access, accident, accompany, according to, account, accurate, accuse, achieve.
Episode 3. The Accurate Account.
Leo was accepted into his school's history project competition, and he felt proud of the chance to prove himself. The teacher explained that the final project had to be acceptable, clear, and original if it was going to stand out. Leo understood that this was not just a regular assignment. It was an opportunity to achieve something meaningful and show what he could do.
To begin his research, Leo created an online account for the town museum archive. After logging in, he was able to access old newspaper records, photos, and maps that were usually hidden from public view. He felt excited because the archive gave him access to real information instead of rumors. He knew that if he wanted a strong project, he needed reliable sources from the very beginning. According to the contest rules, Leo had 1 week to prepare his presentation. His teacher agreed to accompany him to the town archive after school so he could study the original records in person. The archive was quiet, dusty, and full of old shelves, but Leo liked the feeling of searching for hidden truth. He believed that careful research would help him build a better project. Leo spent hours comparing notes and making sure every detail was accurate. He did not want to use information that only sounded believable. He wanted facts that could be trusted. He read old reports, checked dates, and compared different sources. The more he studied, the more he realized that many stories about the town had changed over time. He needed the accurate version of the events.
While Leo was moving a heavy box of files, a small accident happened. The box slipped from the shelf and several old papers fell across the floor. Some pages were bent and a few loose notes scattered in every direction. Leo quickly knelt down to collect them. He felt nervous because he did not want anyone to think he had damaged the archive.
A classmate saw the mess and began to accuse Leo of being careless. The moment was uncomfortable. Leo felt embarrassed, but he stayed calm and did not argue. He knew that reacting angrily would not solve anything. Instead, he continued gathering the papers and tried to fix the situation as quickly as possible. His teacher noticed his patience and self-control. After cleaning the floor, Leo wrote a short account of the accident for the archive staff. He described what had happened clearly and honestly. Then he returned to his research, determined not to lose focus. Writing the account helped him organize his thoughts and showed that he was responsible. The teacher told him that good research also includes honesty, not only information. Later that evening, Leo found an old newspaper article that changed everything. According to the article, the town bridge had almost collapsed during a storm, but workers and students had saved it before serious damage occurred. This was different from the rumor everyone kept repeating. Leo finally felt relief. He had found the truth, and the truth was far more interesting than the false version. Leo checked every date, name, and event once again to make sure everything was still accurate. He organized his notes, selected the strongest photos, and built a timeline that clearly explained what really happened. Now, his project was no longer based on confusion. It was based on evidence. He began to feel confident because he knew his presentation could stand on solid ground.
On presentation day, Leo stood in front of the class with steady hands and clear confidence. His project was not only acceptable, it was impressive. He explained the story of the bridge, the archive records, and the importance of using accurate information. The judges listened closely because his work felt real, thoughtful, and trustworthy. Leo had finally turned his hard work into something meaningful.
In the end, Leo did more than complete a school project. He achieved something bigger. He learned how powerful patience, truth, and careful research can be. He realized that success is easier when you choose facts over rumors and effort over fear. The contest was only one part of the journey, but it gave him a lesson he would never forget. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.